Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We have a rigid container containing 2 meters cubed of air at 11 degrees Celsius and 351 kPa. The tank is connected to a valve, then to the second tank at 4 kilograms of air at 36 degrees Celsius and 151 kPa. The valve is open. The system reaches thermal equilibrium with the surrounding at 21 degrees Celsius. Find the volume of the second tank and the final equilibrium pressure of the air in the system. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. Step 2, list all the given variables, find the unknown. Step 3, find the volume for tank B formula. So what is missing? We are missing the air gas constant. Step 4, find the air gas constant. You can search this on Google or you can search your textbook. It is 0.2870 kilojoules per kilogram Kelvin. Step 5, find the volume for tank B for part A. So first we need to convert our temperature to absolute. So we add 273 from the 36 degrees Celsius. It becomes 309 Kelvin. And then we just plug and play the rest. Everything else is given in the question or found via Google or your textbook. So the volume for tank B is 2.3492 meters cubed. Step 6, find the final equilibrium pressure formula. P is equal to mRT divided by V. We are missing total mass and total volume. We can convert the temperature to Kelvin at a later stage. Step 7, find the total mass of tanks A and B formula. So it's just mass of tank A plus mass of tank B. Step 8, find the mass of tank A formula. So M is equal to PV divided by RT. So we need to find the mass. Everything is given. So we just plug and play. We should convert the temperature to absolute. So once again, adding 273, it becomes 284 Kelvin. So the mass of tank A is 8.6127 kilograms. Step 10, we can now find the total mass. So step 9, that is a typo. Step 9 is what we just found, and then the mass of tank B is given in the question, so we just add them up. We get 12.6127 kilograms. Step 11, find the total volume of the tanks A and B. Step 12, we just add them together. So tank A volume is given, and then the volume of tank B is found in the previous step of step 5. Okay. So that is 4.3492 meters cubed. Step 13, find the final equilibrium pressure for part B. So we need to convert our 21 degrees to Kelvin. It becomes 294 Kelvin. The total mass is found in step 10. Total volume is found in step 12. And now we just plug and play. So we get 244.69 kPa. So that is your equilibrium pressure when the valve is opened and the system of the air is at thermal equilibrium. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program. Once open, click on Video option, click on New. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the Start button, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.